Hello students, let us start question number 3. Question number 3 of 13.2. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about the 30% of its volume. Find the approximately how much syrup would be there found in the 45 gulab jamun, each shaped like a cylinder with the two hemispherical ends, with the length 5 cm and the diameter 2.8 cm. Hemispherical. There is a gulab jamun. All of you are aware of gulab jamun. This is a gulab jamun. In gulab jamun, 45 gulab jamuns are there. So, 4 and the cylinder with two hemispherical ends. This side one hemisphere is there and this side also one hemisphere is there. Now, we need to write for gulab jamun. For gulab jamun, it is cylindrical. It is cylindrical. So for gulab jamun, first diameter, what is given in the question? In the question it is given that number of gulab jamun, volume, hemispherical ends with the length is given. Length we need to take it height, okay, or just length. Length is how much? 5 centimeter. Diameter is given 2.8 centimeter. This is for cylindrical. Now we'll go for hemisphere. For hemisphere, for hemispherical ends, again diameter is D. Diameter is given how much? 2.8 centimeter. If diameter is 2.8, then radius will be how much? 1.4, right? Radius 1.4. Here also the radius 2.8 by 2. If you cut it, 1.4 centimeter, right? Now, length is given, so we need to find the height. Okay? Height will be how much? 5 minus 1.4 minus 1.4. So 5 minus 2.8. That means 5 minus 3 how much? 5 minus 3 is what? 2. So 2.2 centimeter is the height of the hemisphere. Okay. Question is from here. Okay. From here to here 5 centimeter. From top. From this side to this side. But the radius is how much? 1.4. If this is 1.4 means this is also 1.4 and this is also 1.4. So from there 1.4 and this side 1.4. So total how much? 2.8. Okay, 2.8. So from the 5, 2.8 is gone. So how much left? From here to here how much? This one how much? 2.2. Now we'll find the volume. Now volume of gulab jamun. Volume of a gulab jamun. Okay, volume of a gulab jamun. So when we find the volume of a gulab jamun, we'll find volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder plus volume of two hemisphere. Okay, so volume of cylinder formula is what? Pi r square h, and the volume of cylinder and volume of hemisphere formula is what? 2 by 3 pi r cube, but into 2 means what? 2 times. Okay, 2 times. Now here pi r and here also pi r, so we'll take out the pi r common. So pi r square is common. So if pi r square common, what is left? H plus here 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 and this 2 2s are 4. Just make it 4. 4 by 3. Pi r square is out. That means r. Only r left. Now we'll plot the value of RH. So when we plot the value of RH, we will get pi. In terms of pi value is 22 by 7. 22 by 7. And R is how much? R is how much? R 1.4. So 1.4 into 1.4. Height is 2.2 plus height is 2.2 and 4 by 3 R. So 4 by 3 R again 1.4. This is centimeter cube. Now I will rub once the upper one. So we will cut it. 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. So we have here how much? 22 into 0.2 into 1.4, and inside we have 2.2 plus this 14 and 4. 14, 4 4s are 16 and 4 56. That means 56 by 3 centimeter cube. So 56 by 6. Now these two all will multiply. So 22 2s are 44. 4.4 into 1.4. This 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 6.6 plus 5.6 by 3. Now these two 14 4s are 56 and 14 4s are 56 and 5 61. So one digit, that means after 2 digit point. Now when we do it from here, we will get it from the 6.6, and we have 6.6 plus 6 plus 6 is 12, and 6 plus 5 is 11, and 1 again 12. So one digit, that means 12.2 by 3 centimeter cube. Now it is centimeter cube. Now we will multiply these two. 616 into 2, 12.2. So 616 into 1, 2, 2. When you multiply, see, 6 2s are 12, 2 1s are 2 and 1, 3. 6 2s are again 12, again 2, 3, 2, 1. Again 6 1s are 6, 1s are and 6 are. When we plus it, 5 2 5, 6 3, 9, 10, 11, and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 5, and this is 7. How much? 75, 152, and here 1 digit and here 2 digit. That means after 3 digit point by 3 centimeter cube. This is the complete volume of a gulab jamun, but there only 30%. But there only 30% is syrup. So contains the sugar syrup both this much. Approximately how much syrup would be found in the 45 gulab jamun? We need to find how much syrup will be there in 45 gulab jamun. So total syrup in 45 gulab jamun is equal to total syrup in 45 gulab jamun is equal to this volume 75.152 divided by 3 into 30%, so 30 by 100 into 45, so 45 centimeter cube. Okay, this one is the volume for 1 gulab jamun, but we need to find it only 30% because 30% is only the syrup, and we need to find for 45, so into 45. We'll cut it. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Now we'll multiply this 7 5. Downside we have 100, so 1 0 1 0 cancel. So we have how much? 10. this centimeter cube. Now this 2 will multiply 15 3s are 45. That means we are going to multiply 75152 by 15. 15 3s are 45. 45. We'll multiply by 45. So 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. And 1 26. 5 is 5 into 7. 5 5s are 25. And 5 7 35 and 2 37. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 5 4s are 20. 4 1s are 4 and 2 6. 5 4s are 20. Again 2. 7 4s are 28 and 2 30. So 0 8 6 14. 7 and 1 8. 5 6 5 5 10. 1 11. 11. And 7 and 1 8. 8 7 and 1 8. 3 and 3. So we are getting 3381840 centimeter cube divided by 10, divided by this 10, and here 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 point is here. So since we have 1 0 more at the base, so this point will jump to the left side again. So 3381840 centimeter cube after 8, now after 1. So approximately, if we need to see the third digit is below the 5. Now this is 8. Because of 8, this one will be 2. But even though it is 2, but approximately amount we need to take. So it will be 338 centimeter cube. Okay. These are solutions for question number 3. That is gulab jamun. It is a very important question.